Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Basically until the watch turns off. So, let's press and hold the side button. Keep holding it. You will see the Alexa and then the power menu. And after the power menu, couple seconds more, you will see that the screen turns off. Keep holding the button couple more seconds and then you can release it. And once you release it, you should see the Amazfit logo on the screen. And now let's wait until the watch is done booting into a system like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.